Well, welcome back everybody to Bear's Rod Shop. This is October the 14th, and as you can see, we've got a lot to do to clear out for the Jeep over to the west of this lift. And my son's here, our oldest boy, with Bobcat and some asphalt ground up base, and we have a 7-foot span here. You can see this all right, between the slab and the old storage building, which is the old church. And he's already cut out the subgrade for about 5 inches of base, compacted to about 6. And this will let us move. Let's get around the other side. Got a lot of debris to walk around. Car parts debris is good though. Then we'll have to put these 2 motors on a pallet, move them over, move the CJ frame over, get the tub off so we can get that Dodge transmission out. You know, a man that owns a lift and works on his back in the ground, it just don't work at our age. So the plan was to get this base in, move the 58 Ford over, move this clutter over. Yes, I'm a hoarder, I'm sorry. And let's go out here real quick, turn around. 58 goes up in there on the new base. The Alaskan camper, we're not for sure, but we're gonna probably have to sell this thing. We're not gonna see this 59 probably in our lifetime usable to us. So we have a gentleman we're doing that Ford 300 for, may have an interest. If not, I'm gonna put it on the Alaskan site. Anybody looking at this is a non-cab over, 8-foot, 1959, working pristine refrigerator after we spent $600 on it. And anyhow, the stove works. It's going to need some veneer work, and half of the floors and around the door need replaced. So this is our oldest son here. He's almost done, and he's always been an equipment operator, a true Marine. Went through Desert Storm, both of them over in Bosnia, and I think he actually likes doing this. But he also is a car buff. We brought our kids up right, and he owns a 77 Blazer. He also owns had a Bronco 78. Boy, I love that old thing. But then he traded for a 58 Apache. Let's walk around and see how he's doing. Y'all bear with us. And yes, all this clutter is going to be gone away from here, hopefully in the next week or so. Oh, doing a great job. I'll get me a little compactor and come in here and vibratory walk behind and pack this good and tight. It's not enough room for him to wheel walk it in. So, all right, that being said, thumbs up. A little bit of a different direction today, but it is necessary so we can get onto that old Dodge once we finish that 59 300 custom Ford. Please share, give us your comments, and Brian over Metal Shavers, get that firewood stocked up. That's my next chore too here next month. Talk to you later. Come back and visit.